Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi everyone. How are you? How's everything? So today I decided to go for harmonic patterns because it's been a question for the guys for a long time, and why I didn't made a video or never explained about it. So for harmonic pattern, first of all, you need a practice. There are basically two types of harmonic. So if you go here, I will try to make simple as possible. So there are so many of harmonic. This term was taken out from forex. Now it's been implemented on crypto. So there are two types of harmonic. One is your M type harmonic, which is, by the way, bullish. One is your W type harmonic, which is a bearish. So don't get into anti-cipher, shark, godly, and bat, and so many other stuff. So I will try my best to tell you how to draw them and how to find. Possibly to find it's very easily. Like for example, here, for example, like let's say now I'm seeing one W, one more, a big M, which is quite extended. It will take time, no problem. So one more W here, you can see. So this is how you find the harmonic. So let's say I traded this one and this one. I shared this one in the group, yes, I remember, but this one was my personal trade. So let's say how to draw them. So there are two types. For example, let's say this harmonic pattern started from this top to this top. The B point is always a tricky one. Go for the maximum wicks area and try to TP out on the wick. Keep your TP on the wick. Why TP? I will tell you. So now let's say this one was a beautiful butterfly harmonic, but we don't, as I said, we don't want to get into. For example, how to draw and how to know if this is an internal harmonic or external harmonic. By saying internal harmonic or external harmonic, I mean, let's say we have this box and this is our harmonic. So if I'm saying internal harmonic, I mean inside A and X is our internal. How to know they are external? If this part extends. But there is a tricky part for it. Every time harmonic doesn't extend X or A area, it never happens like this. If you see something like this drawn on some paying group, this is wrong. This is clearly wrong. Every time it is same like that. It is internally aligning with X and y, and go same for this one. So for example, if let's say if a was extended, so there is chances of d could extend, so that would be also internal. I have extended a lot, so the chances would be extended because of the a extension, so it would be internal, because the harmonic pattern gets invalidated when you, as a price action trader, let's say let me make a good looking one. Let's say we have a pattern going on inside here. Mind my drawing. So first of all, entering here at this part, or at least this part, I will try to figure out what are the odds in the trading, because first of all, the rule is what, at least you have two confluences for a trade. First thing, I will look, is there any resistance lying here, is there any bearish order block lying here, or any other stuff, fib 0.5, anything else lying here. So this will be my first sign of being comfortable for a short. So shorting these types is simple. Whatever the other confluence you have, let's say you have order block or something, you will set the TP as per to that, and your TP will be B point. This one is very easy scalp, and I've done so many times in the group, and goes vice versa for M part. Simple as that. Everything which I am telling you on this applies vice versa opposite to this one. So let's say for example, if this part's overextended and it's invalidated the X, this whole harmonic is invalidated. It cannot be used. So let's go to live, and I will show you how I trade them. I will keep them. So this was our harmonic. My short got opened. Why you will say my short? I had two confluences for it. One is this order block, because if we shift the time frame, this whole extension is your order block, remember. Plus it's some kind of resistance here, you can see. Okay, it's some kind of resistance. If you see here, the price coming up here and extending, going out, rejection. So it's some kind of, so I have two confluences. I have a order block plus resistance. So this order block is validated. Another thing I use to confirm my order block is fib. For example, my X part was, for example, from where this OB started. Okay, so I will draw a fib from top to bottom. Because this is our last stop, so I will stop my fib here, not on this one. From first to this. So this one is validated because it's anything what do you say, below 0.5, not that much, anything below 0.5 is a valid harmonic for me. So inshallah I will be saying, I used to use what do you say, some old Fibonacci